Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to show you a little something that I got here in the mail. A little while ago, Tavarish on his YouTube channel was doing a fundraiser for this guy Ben Thorn, who had COVID and was in the hospital. He got intubated and stuff like that. And he was selling shirts to raise money. And if you were one of the first 500 people, you would get a part of his McLaren that he rebuilt. So today, this came in the mail from Bunker Branding, and it's the shirt. And there should be right when he announced it, I went right online and bought the shirt. So I remember the video was live for maybe like 30 minutes, and I watched it and I saw that he was doing the shirt with the part of the car. So I'm pretty sure there was part of the car. I was getting a piece of the car, and so it came today, and I kind of opened this a little bit, and I felt like there's a little package in here, a little container in with the shirt. So let's see what we got. Okay. That's a receipt. Here's a shirt, make a nugget. I'm trying to not. There's something here. I just don't. There we go. So. There's the shirt. It says make nugget on it. Yes, extra large. And oh look, it's numbered too. Number 112, wrench every day, Tavarish. All right, so that's cool. And here we go. Ooh, it's a piece of carbon fiber. So there you go. I'm gonna put this on the shelf with my other stuff. There's the collectible stuff. This here is a piece of the Freedom Factory from McLaren. Let me see something. There we go. This is when he was putting some more asphalt on redoing some of the track, and he was selling a t-shirt and some asphalt, and James and Cletus signed it. So that's the asphalt right there. Some rocks, but whatever. So that's cool. So I put this with my collection of YouTube people. All right, well that's it. I just wanted to show you a quick thing of what I got in the mail today and other stuff. I don't know if this is going to be a collection. I'm going to start buying other stuff that people are selling. I was really close to buying Whistling Diesel mulched up truck, but I just didn't do it. I it was too late, and it was a little bit more than I wanted to spend. Anyway, this was for a good cause. Hopefully this guy gets better soon. This Ben, but that's it. And I just want to say thank you and have a good day. Bye.